Well, hi everybody, and welcome back. It's just a little quick update of what's growing today. Now, these were planted less than a week ago, and these are courgettes. We use them for companion planting. Hopefully the white fly and the green fly and the black fly and the bugs, they like these better than they like our plants we're growing. So I mean, look at them, they've got to be near 10 millimeters high, half inch maybe. And that's in less than a week. And we've got sweet corn planted, nothing coming up there yet. And our runner beans, these are Stenna, supposed to be long show varieties. They're doing quite well. And obviously we've got shallots, we've got leeks planted and more leeks. And look at these little beauties here. Less than a week old. Turk's turbin, Tristan. They're courgettes, and then we got midnight. That's a courgette as well. Yeah, courgettes. Patty pans growing, and what's these ones called? British summertime. More courgettes. So I mean, that's less than a week and they're up, which is really good. And then we've got more seed sown here. These are giant marrows, broccoli sowed, Brussels sowed. Brussels and cabbage, and we've got some red sweet peppers. They'll be quite nice. We've got a hotbed when we get going. And these are sweet peas, nicely scented. These are ordinary peas, Feltons, and they've always been in just about a week, so they'll be up very shortly. Been taking some more dahlia cuttings from the same plant you saw me taken before. This is a new lot of growth. Did say it wouldn't be long before they was all up. Okay, and what else we got here? Oh, this is more peas. This is more Felton's early peas. And if we go along here, we've got some kale, lots more kale, some kalettes, some marrows and some squashes. So basically they've been doing really well at the moment. And amazingly how quick they come up, less than a week, and they're really shooting away. So it's got to be the right sort of time to plant them. Anyway, thanks for watching, just a quick update. See you later.